Hello, good evening. You are welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Diaryofacookbook. If you've not subscribed to my YouTube channel, do it to subscribe and then hit the notification bell. So today I'll be teaching us and showing us how to make roasted peanuts. I remember back home it used to be a struggle to roast peanuts because we have to get sand to fry and then do all the processing, but I'll be showing you a very easy way and you can practically do this less than 30 minutes. I kid you not. So first thing first, come in. So the first thing I did was to boil some water. You could use your kettle. So one, two, the water in there. So now so you can dry for some minutes in the sun if you have sun in your area. For some places where sun is a bit scarce, you can just leave it for about 5 minutes, then go on to air fry it. Ready to air fry.